Hi everyone, I'm Ben Piper, author of the CCNP Enterprise Certification Study Guide, and welcome to my course, Cisco Enterprise Networks, Troubleshooting OSPF and EIGRP for IPv4. Troubleshooting isn't just about solving problems, it's about solving them quickly. And to do that, you need a solid troubleshooting method you can apply to any networking problem, no matter how big or how small. In this course, you're going to tackle 16 different troubleshooting tickets covering complex IPv4 routing problems involving OSPF, EIGRP, and redistribution. By the end of this course, you'll have the confidence to approach any IPv4 routing or redistribution problem. No matter how complex the problem or the topology, you'll be able to determine where to start, how to narrow down the problem to a layer, and even how to figure out what specific technology is causing it. Before beginning the course, you should have CCNA level skills. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Cisco network troubleshooting with the course Cisco Enterprise Networks, Troubleshooting OSPF and EIGRP for IPv4 at Pluralsight.